What's up, online shopper? If winter blues and shoveling has got you down, I've got something for you to think about. And let me tell you, before I get too much farther, I promise you I'm going to show you this in action at the end of the video. Now, don't mind the box. It did get a little bit crunched up in shipping, but I can tell you that everything shipped in its own little individual boxes, so it's really well protected. This is my 40-volt 2-pack battery electric snow shovel that's going to throw snow 30 feet when I have it all assembled. Let's put it together. This is what it looks like in the box. Everything comes in its own little individual box. The charger, the two 20-volt lithium-ion battery pack. This is your adjustable handle. Here is my beautiful electric snow shovel. I'm so excited. Assembly is really easy. The cords are running down on the inside, so all you have to do is slide this in. It has little guides that push together, screws into place, and locks the snow shovel straight. And we'll do the same with this one. Oops, like that. Slide it in, twist to tighten, and now I've got my snow shovel ready to go. The other part of this is this little adjustable handle. Pretty easy to do. You just twist this here. This opens, and then you can put it in and then screw it closed. There is my electric snow shovel. We got a couple things in boxes. This one here is the 20-volt batteries. I love that it's two 20-volt batteries because then you don't have to worry about running out of charge. You can turn your battery on here like that, and you can see that it does come partially charged. You should always charge them first before using them. You have a couple options for charging. Here's the charging base. Battery's gonna go right like that, and then you just take that little button here, depress it, and then slide your battery off. There's also a little port right here that you can use to charge, but that's an additional purchase. So when you're charging your batteries, just put them in, plug it into the wall, and this guy here is going to be charging, waiting for you to run out of battery on that guy. They definitely send you a user manual, which is good. You should always read these. And here is the bonus. They actually include a little LED light so that if you're using this at nighttime, you can see better. Charge cord for the light, because it is rechargeable. It just goes right here on the front of the handle. At the front of it is the little port where you're going to put your charge cord to charge up the rechargeable light. And it is waterproof because you just push the little silicone tab in there. It's going to keep all the liquid out. And then this here is going to feed through. Clip it in place. It has like a little tab so that it supports well against this. Just stretch it around and pull it tight like that. And I can even turn it on. Nice little light. How convenient is that? As far as attaching the battery, it just slides in like this with a click, and it also shows you the light. Now let's talk about the features of this awesome little snow shovel. You get two of these 20-volt batteries. It has a dual safety feature here. You have to actually push this button in and depress before it moves, which means you can't just squeeze this and accidentally activate it on your foot. Great safety feature. I do love the color combination. Green and gray is one of my favorites, and I'm not gonna lie, it did influence my choice. It does have the option to change the direction, and I really like how easy this is to move and change around. Weight-wise, this weighs about 11 pounds, which is super light. Now, you saw how easy it was for me to assemble it. I literally got it done in like 2 minutes, and it would have been faster if I wasn't talking to you. Quick summary of features. It has a brushless motor inside here. It has two 20-volt batteries for a total of 40 volts. This swath across here is 13.5 inches. As far as how far it throws the snow, it will throw it up to 30 feet high. Now that's normally when the direction is set directly in front of you, which is nice if you have high snow banks, which we do get here in Northern Ontario. Haven't got a ton of snow yet, but last year the snow was up to here, and I am not even joking. I think this little LED light here is absolutely a bonus because sometimes we do have to clear snow in the nighttime. I do love the height of it. I am 5'6", and I love this one because I can use it this way and not feel like I have to bend down to get a good angle going on it. The other cool thing about this great little snow shovel is it's definitely quieter than gas blower. I promise to show you it in action. Let's see it go. This feels like a little snow throwing ninja. I'm so happy with how it feels when I use it. Now I love that this throws the snow out front without the bulkiness or heaviness of a big machine. I love that I can use two hands to move the snow, and it does go really high in the air. As far as cutting deeper into the snow, it is going to struggle a little bit with hard, crusty snow the way that a gas blower wouldn't do it. But as far as clearing your driveway, your walkways, your pathways, your back patio, your porch, this is definitely awesome. Oh, and it's satisfying too. Overall, this is an awesome little electric snow shovel and definitely one of my favorites I've tried so far. It's pretty lightweight. I think this one is absolutely fantastic. And I'll tell you, this one here is a family favorite at our house.